To change the manifold gasket, exhaust manifold gasket, yes, you need to remove these 10 sockets. Okay. Okay, pull this out like this. So you have all this space. You need to here, 6, 8, 10 and the 12. Okay, for this one you need to use this tool. Okay, 12, 13 to go with like this. You can go at least from here. Okay, we will tight it like this. Okay, and for this there is a lower one inside. You need to use extension. Okay, there is plenty of space like this, or you can use the small extension to go with this one. Okay, don't pull the complete turbo out. You can do this job approximately like this. Okay, this is Volvo S80 2009. It's in new models, 5 cylinder, S60 V60, same. Have a good day.